What were Fijians like? What was their spiritual life like pre-contact? It's funny, like when we discuss spirituality, I actually wanted to say religion, but you said spirituality is a bit better because it runs the gamut of like how Fijians treated the supernatural and how they worked with it.
The basic spirituality then is ancestor worship. This was a term used by Basil Thompson. He was one of the commissioners for the Native Lands Commission. He used the term ancestor worship. I'd rather tweak it a little and say instead of ancestor worship, there was ancestor veneration.
Veneration, okay.
When an ancestor, someone dies, they become venerated. Not worship. Worship brings all the little rituals and all the do's and don'ts. Veneration is more like creating the person to become sacred. It's a very fine line, sacred. So over time, a person, a forefather, becomes elevated to a deity, a small deity in a household or in a small clan. And this is how society was, ancestor veneration. The more ancestors, in fact, there were more deities than tribes.